How's it going, guys? My name's PollyFurbo87 and welcome to Prototype, also my first YouTube video. Okay. Those of you that know what Prototype is, then you know, but those of you who don't, it's basically a game about a virus that spreads and makes everyone sick, and they turn into like zombie creatures. They infect the people, and but the virus that infects you is like the one that gets the other people, but it's more serious, and you get powers, and you can mimic stuff and change the shape of your hands and body and whatever. So yeah, that's it. Do you think we should watch this? Well, you can't. Maybe if I were a nice person, you'd be able. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay, kill the military personnel. That's our objective. Okay, where's the gun? I don't like you. Holy crap, you're fat! You're fat! We can fly! I'm not supposed to be flying. Okay, let's play it fair. Okay, so, yeah, this is basically what happens in the game. Everything is gone to crap, and we have to go stop this and find out who caused all of it.
They're responsible.
With their lives. Woo! Show me. I didn't know we could do that, man. Can we do that, crap? Obviously we can. Rocket launcher. Shit. You're peeving me off. I don't like you. Don't like you. You're not very nice. You are peeving me off. Okay, so, let's go. Look at the tank, guys. Look at the tank, homies. Check it. Ugh, you're making me angry. You won't like me when I'm angry! Brofist! Brofist! Okay, this guy wants Brofist, so let's give him one. Brofist! Oh my god. Fine! You don't get Brofist, you just get beating the crap out of him until you die. Black baby! No, not Justin Bieber. F, you're ugly. What? You're so fat. I don't know what that was. That's actually chop, chop. Whatever. I'm gonna chop you into little pieces. These sick bastards with ugly faces will die. Ow. Don't throw up blood. Bad. No. Or you're on your period. I don't know. Ouch. Ow. I don't like. Eat that person. Yeah. Eat it. While I kill you. You are annoying me. Holy God. Okay. Is he an alien, guys? Look, he's got 3 eyes. He must be an alien. Damn aliens. Told him to stay off our planet. Looks like Fauci is gonna have to take care of it. Come on, Faulty, you can do this. Let's go. I believe I could fly and touch the floor and kill everybody, 'cause I'm a special person, don't judge me. Boom! Holy crap, can I do that? Woo! Ouch. Come here. Come here, you bastard. Hugs. Beat you up. Yeah. What? What did I do? You. What the hell? What just happened? So, he puts people inside his bugs and shoots them out everywhere. Yeah, because that makes sense. Yeah, that makes total sense. Boring. No one likes clip scenes. Or you guys tell me in the comments. Should I keep the clip scenes, or should I just skip them? That looks boring. Loading. This game loads an awful lot. Are you finished? My Xbox is making funny sounds.
Get the fuck out of here. I can't keep this up forever.
Alles is wel. Go, please. I'm an innocent little man. Run, Faulty, run, 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 Faulty, run, run, Faulty, run, run. Leave me alone! Okay, but yeah, as I was saying, remember, please guys, tell me if I should keep the clip scenes rolling or if I should skip them. Run, 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 Faulty, ow. You have paid me off enough. What do you want? Blah blah, you something. Okay. Whoa!
I can't believe what I just did.
I can. Sprint up, balls, sprint over. What? What just happened? So they said we can sprint up. What? This game is so realistic. This game is like the most realistic. I mean, think about it, guys. We do this all the time in parkour videos. Yeah, we do it just like this. Well, what was the point of going up that building if I'm just gonna jump off? Speed, speed, jump, 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 jump.
Now I gotta kill them too.
He's just acting more casual. Like, he starts off all, oh no, I'm killing people, and now he's like, oh well, now I'm gonna have to kill them too. Okay. Okay, is that all? Yes, it is. Have a present! Crap, you didn't take my present. Here, have that one. Did you like it?
This can't be happening.
Well, it is, buddy. Deal with it. We all take drugs. Anyway, I mean, I don't take drugs. No. Why would I do that, guys? Skip. Okay, so we're here. Consume. Okay. Press B. Okay. There we go. So press B and then press Y. So B, Y. Punch, punch, punch. Oh, this is so consume. Oh, we turned into him. Is that what it does? I don't want to know what that is. She was gonna swear. Oh no. I'm me again. No. Your head far? That's what happens when you take too many drugs. Okay, I think we'll play for another 2 minutes, and wait, what's this? What? What did I press? What is this? Oh! Haha. Okay, no more though. Seriously. Okay. We're just an army general. Don't worry about me. Just an army general. Or am I? Yeah. This is normal. What, this isn't normal? What do you know about normal? Okay, I think I'll record for another like 2 minutes and then I'll have to end it. Oopsie. They didn't see that. I hope. Graffiti. Objective complete. 3000 XP. Or EP. What? What's EP?
I need to get to a good viewpoint, scope the area out.
Good viewpoint, scope area. Got it. Wait, is he the only one watching me? Because if I kill him, then the others won't know. Are they still watching me? Stop looking at me! Okay, so we're going. I think it's almost time to end. But, yeah. Oh, drop my gun, no! Okay.
They know I'm coming. I have to think about this.
Okay, should we... Okay, I know what that thing is. I figured that out. Disguise, blah blah blah. I know how to disguise. What am I doing? Okay, okay. So when it goes red, then we're screwed, basically.
Get inside.
You jump! They looked at me and saw me fall from the sky. Okay. So after we see what's inside this house, then we can... Okay. Dana Mercer. Wait, we're Alex Mercer. Is that a wife? Do we have... No, it's a little sister, isn't it? Yeah, Dana. Yeah, that is, isn't it? That's a naughty word.
What the hell happened to you, Alex?
I was bit by a radioactive piece of crap.
I was poking around to get you information. If you remember, you wanted to find out what's going on at the highest levels of Jetpack. Anything about the director's research. Are you okay? I haven't even seen 5 years. I really showed up at my door last month.
You haven't seen me in 5 years, but you saw me last... What? You guys tell me if you heard that. Okay. Dana's safe house, Midtown West.
You're gone for a year. How do you
So we're borrowing a friend's house for a while. Or department, or whatever.
They were waiting for me at the place.
Manhattan.
Be here when I get back.
Are we in Manhattan? Sweet. Okay, we're in Manhattan, guys. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna have to, end the chair, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna have to end the chair, but, I'll be posting videos shortly, and just remember that I said, see you in a while.